So finally we are about to start from BHL. We were about to start at somewhere around 5 o'clock actually. So now the time is somewhere near to 6:30. It got delayed due to some or the other issues. But you know, this happens when you are going on a group ride in fact. और अभी सिग्नल भी रोक दिया हमें. So finally we started from BHL after crossing the first signal exactly at 6:30. నాకు చలి గట్టిగా వేస్తుంది బ్రో. బాలానగర్ అమీర్పేట్ బ్రో వచ్చేస్తాం. త్వరగానే వచ్చేస్తాం. రాఘవ ఎక్కడ? ఓకే, వీఆర్ కమింగ్. మ్యాక్స్ ఒక 5-10 minutes అంతే వచ్చేస్తున్నాం. అమీర్పేట్ మెట్రో దగ్గర ఇదే కదా అమీర్పేట, సౌత్ ఇండియా షాపింగ్ మాల్ అంట. రాఘవ మీ ఇద్దరు ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరో ఉన్నారు. ఓకే ఓకే, రోడ్ ఎక్కండి. నువ్వు కనిపించలే అక్కడ. అంతే, దీని తర్వాత ఉప్పల్. వీళ్ళు వచ్చేది ఇక్కడే కదా, ప్రశాంత్ అండ్ హిమజ. ఏ ఆపండి, నా మిర్రర్ తగులుతుంది. హాయ్ రా ముందుకి. ఇంకొక లేరి వాళ్ళే కదా. నువ్వు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళావా? నేను రేవిస్తుంటే వాళ్ళు రెస్పాండ్ కావట్లే. హాయ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఉప్పల్ డైరెక్ట్. ఉప్పల్ పోలీస్ స్టేషన్. మన బండ్లన్నీ అక్కడ పెట్టాలంట. హలో, ఇదేంటి? ఏ బ్రో, అరే 6 ముందున్నాయిరా, ఇంకా 6 గ్యాంగ్ ఉంది అక్కడ. మోహన్ సార్ వద్దలాగా. వద్దు, ఆయన మిర్రర్లో చూస్తున్నాడు ఆయన. ఏంటో అడగండి. So from here the next stop will be Uppal. Uppal we have a huge people to join there because some people who will be joining from this Balanagar, JNTU have also gone to Uppal itself. So here we are starting from Uppal as of now. So we have almost a few riders. There are somewhere around 15 riders who have joined here. So you can see the all riders gang here are going. So there are all 15 bikes as of now, and among 15 I could see almost 10 bikes. They are all of RA itself. So all the RA bikes. We are trying to go in a lane, but due to this traffic we might miss the lane for a while, but we will join back the lane once we leave the city. So the guy who is in the last, who is also vlogging like me, standing in the last, is Fani from Swadeshi Riders. So they are all RA group of riders named as Swadeshi Riders in the YouTube channel, and he is also vlogging. He also have a GoPro cam. We both are competing each other, who will be in the back, who will be in the back to vlog. We can see the remaining riders here at HP petrol bunk. హాయ్, ఏం చేస్తాం మళ్ళీ రైడ్ అంటే అలాగే పోతాం. వస్తున్నావు కదా. So we are all ready to start the ride from Uppal. It's already 8:30. Due to some issues, car got delayed to get some items, so they are sticking our Dromo Mania, the new riders group stickers here. So from here we have all 21 riders still there, and we will be starting in next 5 minutes, bro. Started na? We'll start. ఇది మీతో పెట్టుకోండి, కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ సైడ్. ఎవరికైనా కావాలంటే ఇద్దాం. So here you can see all our bikes who are all ready, steady and set to go, and they are all capturing all pictures. So you can see the all 21 bikes here, and our volunteers with this Kipstar identity t-shirts. Get on bikes. So here we are done from the breakfast, and we started to Warangal. It's somewhere around 100 kilometers, and you can see all our riders here. You can see all of them going in one single lane. I'm trying to cover them. You can see all these people. There are somewhere around, as I said, 19 riders here. So you can see all of them. I like this guy Raghava. He's completely fit to the vehicle, and he's looking so good in this. He's superb, and he's a vlogger. As I said, the Swadeshi channel. And Uday, Prashant, so finally we reached Warangal. We are in the city now. There are few people missing in the highway itself, just because their friends couldn't come on time. They left back, so they were waiting for them, and the rest riders, like more than half people, are with us now, and few have already come up. People have already reached the 1000 Pillar Temple, which is the meetup location which we have set in the Warangal. So we will also be meeting them within just some few 10 minutes, I guess, because we just have more 5 kilometers as per my knowledge. The queue which we maintain on the highway is 2 hours. Like we can find one people in 1 kilometer, a half kilometer in that distance, but here the city queue is I'm literally amazing. See if you can see. The queue is going so good, and the entire Warangal is turning its head for us. So finally we reached 1000 Pillar Temple parking slot here. You can see all our riders parking their bikes. Harry, he is the guy who have this BS6 RR 310. Huh? William. నేను క్యారీ హ్యారీ రెండు ఒకటే అనుకుంటున్నా. ఓకే. And all our riders, I guess one rider is missing from us. I need to contact him. We can see a backup vehicle which is I-20. He is Jay, who is the person who is riding this backup vehicle. Hi. Actually, he was about to come with us on bikes, but just because we need a backup vehicle, he came in the car. Thank you so much, Jay bro.
अच्छा रास्ता बंद कर दिया.
ఏం చేస్తున్నారు సార్?
ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళకి వీడియో చూపిస్తుంది.
సూపర్ సార్. జిష్ణు బ్రో ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? We have kept all these bikes in a lane for all of them to take pictures, and you can see all are waiting to move to direct Laknavaram Lake. So you can see all the bikes behind me. There are somewhere around 24 bikes, 23 bikes here. So this was the parking place where we took all photos. So here on us will be moving. Bye bye. Bye bro. तो अभी हमारा एक टास्क है, जो बाकी राइडर्स जो चले गए हैं, और हमारे लिए एक टास्क ये है कि we need to take the food. The dinner for all the riders is a task for now. So we have a backup vehicle coming with us to take the dinner item. It is I-20 driven by Narendra, who was earlier driving his Benelli 400 Imperial.
Hi Varadi.
दम दर मस्त मस्त दर दम मस्त मस्त दर दम दम ओ हमदम बिन तेरे क्या जीना.